And we're back in our top secret location.
Yeah. So we're all over the place.
As you can see.
As you can see. We are setting up to do our floor panels, the soles, for the cabin and cockpit. That'll complete all the soles on the boat. We had the opportunity to get in here to glass in kind of a sheltered environment, heat and all that. So we took a chance,
yeah.
took the opportunity, and gonna make the best of it.
Finish the soles.
Yep.
Get them in. Hopefully.
Rough cut anyway. We can't glass them in until later.
No. Yeah, no.
So get the fuel tanks and all that, which are coming.
Hopefully.
So yeah.
Soon.
Yeah, it should be next month.
Anyway.
This month. I hope. I hope.
Supply chain.
Yeah. So yeah, we're just setting up to do some glassing. Nothing new.
Back to our old videos. You see us flat panel glassing.
Flat panels.
So we just cut all of the glass for one side of the panels, and then we glued the seam here because this one had to be 9 feet and we only have 8 feet per panel. Okay. So we glued the joint real quick, weighed it down, let it cure, and then we'll come back tomorrow and start glassing. Yeah,
last winter we started actually glassing the panel that's against the door over there. We ended up glassing one side, but we had pre-cut the glass for 2 of those panels, so we have that still off to the side, ready to go for when we flip these over. I think that's pretty much it. I mean, we're pretty much ready to go.
Hopefully get this done in a few days.
Yeah, if we can get 3, we're going to try to do 3, one side of each panel per night, and then the final panel will be over the weekend. I'll try to run up here and knock it out.
And you can see his breath right now, but it's not going to be that cold in here.
Yeah, we have heat in here and all that.
Which we'll be good.
No. We are here on day 2, and I don't need my sunglasses. We are getting ready to mix up some Total Boat 2-to-1 resin. We need some more fiberglassing. We're going to do 2 layers tonight, hopefully on one side of each of these, and let it cure overnight. We have a controlled environment here. We're going to kind of get to it, mix up some, we're using slow hardener tonight, 2-to-1 Total Boat. Make sure you check out our code in the description below.
I think that's it.
Yeah, I think that's pretty much it.
It's been a while since we've done this, so let's see how rusty we are.
Oh, we're rusty. I know we are. We're not going to use peel ply on this. We had an educated discussion about this. You don't need to use peel ply on fiberglass. After we put these floors down, I'm going to probably skim coat most of everything anyway. And also, we're going to put a floating floor on top of all of this. So it doesn't have to be super smooth. It just has to be structurally sound.
In the cabin at least.
In the cabin at least, yeah. So either way, I mean, huh?
And Total Boat doesn't blush.
Yeah, it's a non-blushing resin, so we don't have to worry too much about that. It being blush.
Don't forget that. It's a good selling point.
Good selling point. Yeah. So my sales pitches are off. It's been a while. All right, guys, we're gonna get to it. Put you guys on time lapse and enjoy the show. Hopefully, we don't screw up too bad.
We finished.
Yeah.
One side.
One side done. All rolls. No air bubbles.
It took an hour?
Started about, yeah, about an hour. A little over an hour.
Not bad for being rusty.
Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. No peel ply this round. We said that already.
Yep.
Just decided it wasn't worth it for us. If I have to, I'll give it a quick sanding. Not a big deal.
No.
2 layers on the top. Tomorrow we'll flip everything over. We're gonna just trim it quick, and we'll do the backside 2 layers on 3 panels.
And that's it.
So, busy week, a lot of work going, but gotta be done. It's good to get remotivated again. We have been slacking this winter, so.
Yeah. But
We've been doing other stuff. We've been, like I said, educating ourselves and learning and different projects and pre-planning and a lot of fun stuff coming up.
yeah, what he said.
So,
All right, we'll see you tomorrow.
thanks for watching.
We're back.
We are
Day 3. Well,
2.5. First day was set up, but so day 2.5, we are glassing side number 2 of 3 panels. It's really all we have room for. We still have another panel to do tomorrow.
Don't mind us. We are enjoying a cerveza.
It is Friday.
It is Friday. And it was a week.
Yeah, it was a week. So we're just taking 5 now. We got all our glass cut prep ready to go. Everything's sanded down. I hit these joints real quick. Any over spill we had on the edges. Yeah, we're pretty much ready to go. Start glassing. Cassie's got everything metered out over here. We are using our total boat 2-to-1 as always. Yep, metered, ready to go. So we're gonna do is add hardener. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're in good shape. We're just taking 5, regrouping, and we're going to get going here in a few minutes. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, I am back here on day 4, 3.5, 4. The first side of the 3 panels are all nice and solid here, nice and set up. Everything cured good overnight. I just have the back side of 1 6-foot panel to do today. I'm on my own. Cassie had other other commitments. So we are gonna start getting set up. I'm just gonna stack all these to the side. They're all cured, like I said. No issues, no bubbles. Everything looks really nice. Everything feels solid, nice and stiff. Just pick up the corner, the whole. I mean, you see the whole panel just picks up together. So that's kind of what we're looking for. Hopefully, it only takes about an hour or so. Probably about 3 quarts of resin, and we should be good to go. So I'll probably throw you guys on time lapse for most of this because my hands will be full of resin. But yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. It doesn't cost a thing. Share with your friends. Anybody else who might be interested in what we're doing. All right, guys. As usual, we are using Total Bulk 2-to-1 resin. Slow hardener. We do have the heat going in here. I'm gonna pre-meter everything out so I'm not scrambling to meter out resin anyway. The hardener, all that as I need it, and we're just getting ready to go here. I did clear up our mess here, so did that all off camera, and I just got the one panel left to do. So. All right, guys, and that concludes our marathon of glassing over the last 4 days. I'm gonna let this cure overnight, get the fire going here, and we'll be back tomorrow to wrap everything up, the rest of it up. Nothing out of the ordinary. We've showed you guys this before, so you know, we've done a few explanations. Some people have their own opinions on the way we do stuff, but it works for us, and it's the way we do it. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations as far as temperatures, how to apply stuff. Again, it's how we do it, how we were taught, how we were told to do it, you know, from the experts, from the guy that designed the boat. So, again, it works for us. It's how we're doing it, and we're going to continue on like this. This is the last panel for all these soles. So from here, most of the panels we're going to use are pre-glassed. So all the furniture and stuff will be, it's actually these white panels that this is sitting on. It's a honeycomb core, and we'll give a good review on this stuff as we get using it here. I did cut up a few panels last week to start mocking up the galley area. I started grinding down the edges. I was waiting on an adapter for my grinder for the dust. It finally did come in, so yeah, we should be getting back to that pretty soon as well. So be sure to stay tuned. We do have some stuff coming up. I know it's been slow lately, but hang in there with us. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.